All right, so we're about to have our first dinner. We just got here to the
Bahia.
all right, you guys, we're gonna have some drinks and some good food. Check back in later. Thank you. So here's our kids are in heaven. Look at all these dessert options. Man. Let's see our options for tonight. This is our buffet entree here. They've got buffet options that are open late, and then they've got restaurants that you have to make a reservation at. Hola. Oh wow. We're about to chow down on some good food here. Look at this. More dessert options. Hola, buenas tardes. Then we got American food over here. Coleslaw. Oh wow, look at here. Ravioli. Lots of different options. What to have, what to have. All right, guys. We're here for our last dinner. We're here at the Tequila restaurant. It's been a good trip. Had a lot of good fun. Got a lot of sun. Lots of sun and more sun. And good food. And snorkeled the cenote today. So thanks for tuning in, guys, as always. I'll take some pics of this tomahawk steak we're about to eat. It sounds delicious. See if it matches up to the one that I made at home. I doubt it, but we'll see. Alright, guys. Hola. What's the name of the chef? What's the name? Carlos?
Yes.
Chef Carlos. Gonna cut up our tomahawk steak here.
My partner say that tomahawk is a medium red, you know? The medium red is the color for you. When it's medium, when it's red, it's okay.
There we go.
You know? According how many? Señores, excelente noche, sigan pasándola y mi compañera deseo que les siga teniendo como hasta ahorita.
Gracias.
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 And that, folks, is a tomahawk steak. I give him a little, maybe a little edge on me for presentation, I guess. My tomahawk steak was bigger, but we'll try it and see which one was better. All right, guys.